Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have three variables here, and then we are printing the sum of it. So if you thought that the correct output of this code is true, true, false in one line, well, that's not the case. The correct output is true. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here, in order to understand this code, we must understand how does Python know is true or false. Well, actually, for true, the value is 1, and for false, the value is 0. So this is also 1. And now the rest things are quite easy. As you can see, we are printing a plus b plus c. So it will be like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. And this will give you 2, which was the output.